So I had arthritis in the hip, I was told. In fact, I had a previous doctor tell me that I had the hips of an 80-year-old. And at 45, to hear that is pretty shocking because I'm an active guy. And, I actually thought that it was probably related to me being a skateboarder and a snowboarder, and I'm a chef. And so I thought maybe the years of, being on my feet was probably the cause of it, but I was told actually it's hereditary. So there's nothing that I could do about it. The hip pain was always there, that I would be in a conference call with somebody and I would be thinking, my hip hurts. Do I need to shift myself here, move the ice pack there? I realized how overwhelming that pain is in your life and you don't even realize it. I talked to a bunch of different doctors and, was trying to find a doctor that would say, you don't need hip surgery. Like, you can do this a different way, right? And I found those doctors, and I went through acupuncture, I went through physical therapy, I did, heating, icing, all kinds of things. And I knew the inevitable was probably going to happen. I was going to have my hip replaced, but in my mind thought that that's an invasive thing and the recovery of it is just going to be so much. And that's what's, I think, so exciting, is that it was like a piece of cake during the surgery. In fact, I remember all the talks that I had with Dr. Dold, just easing my mind and, walking through exactly where the incision would be, what it would be. That kind of really helped me. You have a level of comfort with him that I wasn't expecting. And I think it's the confidence that really comes through, that you just know that, like, this guy's gonna rock this and you're gonna be fine on the other side. My life is completely new. And in fact, it's so different that I've been inspired by my friends to try out for an Ironman race, and I've never done that before. But I'm excited because I have to train and get my body to that point, and that's pretty exhilarating to know that I can compete at that level with my new titanium hip, which is pretty cool, actually, to say.
I did triathlons for years and years and years, and I just wore my knees out, and it was bone on bone, and Dr. Dold told me to pick a knee because they're both bad. I met a guy at a CrossFit gym, Mike Bone, that had knee replacements, and he told me where he was going, and I was like, that's the guy. That's who I want to go to. Absolutely. I traveled all the way from Abilene to do the pre-surgery, the surgery. I came back for visits afterwards. It was about a 2-hour surgery. It was great. Right away, I knew my knee was so much better. I just kept thinking, I have a new knee. I'm so excited. And that night I was kind of walking in my room right after surgery, walking down the hallway. My recovery was great. I was walking right away. I was supposed to have been walking with a walker and just was like walking up and down the street without my walker. So 2 weeks I was back to work. It was awesome. He really paid close attention to everything and listened, and he was very thorough, very thorough. Love him. He's a great doctor. Even the hospital staff said his protocol is very meticulous, but his patients do extremely well. So I was really thankful to be a part of that. I'm really looking forward to doing the second knee and getting that done and being able to live life again. Maybe run some little runs with my grandchildren and ride my bike again. That's exciting.
Okay, the first issue I had was with my left knee, and I had sought help for that with an orthopedic surgeon, and he said diagnosed it with a torn meniscus, did a little surgery, and we thought it was going to be, well, I healed, but I still had arthritis in that knee and continued to have pain, even though that orthopedic surgeon was, treating me with things, but they weren't working. So I just got on the internet and started looking for orthopedic surgeons with good reviews because I felt like I needed to consult another doctor. And I found Dr. Dold. And then when I talked to him, he said, okay, we're going to take an x-ray and look at the knee. And of course it was arthritic, but not to the point of needing a replacement. So he talked to me about the platelet-rich plasma, which I knew nothing about. And it sounded good to me, and I was in pain. So we went for it, and it was absolutely, I wouldn't say it was a miracle, but it was like a miracle. And I was so grateful. And maybe a year later, I had to come back for the same treatment again with good results, always with, just amazing results. I was so fortunate to have found him. Then, in October of last year, I fell off of a chair that I was standing on and fractured my hip. And I knew where I wanted to go. He repaired my hip, and since then, everything has been going very well. I'm immensely grateful, not only to Dr. Dold, but also to his staff. For me, to be ambulatory without pain is a wonderful thing.
I'm 43 years old and looking for a knee replacement. The approach he took in terms of my care was different than I had seen with any of the other doctors, even when I was in high school and college, and I had my knees done 20 years ago. It was just completely different. Yeah, so constant pain. I'll say both knees, more so, but actually the more on the left, and it was, I'll call it no running. The physical activity was not there, and I said, look, I'm in my 40s. I've got 2 young daughters. I need to be able to do something versus just feeling like I'm in an 85-year-old man's body, if you want to call it that, right? Just based off how rough I was on my body when I was younger. And then after the surgery, doing the rehab, doing some of the techniques that Dr. Dold had recommended that I would never even thought of, and thought, well, some of this, maybe it's snake oil, if you want to call it, like doing the cryo chamber and some of these other things, was really spectacular. And then his engagement at the same time too with the physical therapist, the back and forth, hey, here's where I'm progressing, here's where some of the strengths, here's some of the weaknesses, was really good. So when you came in here, he wasn't blind, right, and saying, hey, how's it been the last 2 or 3 months? He actually knows, because he's got that feedback from the PT. He's very thorough, number one. Number two, he does care about his patients, and when he looks at the whole situations, it's not just, okay, hey, we're going to do this is how it's going to go, what have you. The fact that he called me going into my surgery and said, hey, thinking about me when he's on a business trip, and his level of concern, look, you need to come into my office because we're up in 2 weeks for your surgery, but let's go look at one more alternative. I can't even think of a doctor that would do that or has done that with me in the past. In terms of recommendations, for sure, and I actually, I have 2 young daughters. Both my oldest has come in twice for both ACLs that she tore, and then now my youngest is coming in for some injuries that she's had. So absolutely, I think the recommendation is a glowing yes.
I had complete knee replacement surgery. My injury started in college playing sports, and over the years arthritis grew in it, and got to the point where I needed to see a doctor, and sought out Dr. Dold, and started with some platelet-rich plasma injections, a couple of those, and it just got to the point where I needed to do something more serious. It was starting to wake me up at night. I couldn't sleep through without experiencing some pain, and I was limited on what I could do as far as yard work, and couldn't do some of the sports that I used to do very, very easily, and so that was another factor that I really wanted to get back to my life. First, he's a really cool guy. I seemed to bond with him right away. Very knowledgeable, very encouraging, just created confidence in the surgery, and I felt very good about my decision to have the surgery. I put it off for a long time, and I'm so glad that I did it now. I'm back doing things that I did 15, 20 years ago. I play golf with no pain, yard work, no pain. I walk 2 to 3 miles 5 days a week. So my life is back the way it used to be, and I'm sorry I didn't do it sooner. I couldn't recommend him enough. I referred other people to him. I referred my wife for shoulder surgery. So that's how much confidence I have in him.